Ever wondered if the code you are reviewing was written by a human or a AI? Well, now there's a way to detect AI generated code. Just head over to this website called Codespy. This is a tool specifically designed to identify which part of the code is written by AI tool or by human. Kindly, this supports Java, Python, JavaScript, C++, C Sharp, Python, and detects whether it is generated by ChatGPT or other AI tools or by human being, because it is built on the insights from Tandon School of Engineering told us that AI generated code can be often outdated, buggy, and even referencing non-existent databases. Let me give you a quick demo of this website. After logging in, you can see this dashboard page. There are reports and projects, these options. First of all, you need to click on this button. As of now, I have a Java code. I'm pasting that here. Now, this is a Java code I have pasted here. You have different options you can change from here and just click on Analyze button. This will start analyzing. You can see the most of the things are written by AI. Yeah, this is completely AI generated code, and here you can see there is a 98% chance that this is AI generated. Okay, you can see. And let me give you once again. This is a code. This is a code which is written by human. Let's analyze this. You can see it is saying it is human generated. Even you can see there is only 2% chance that it is AI generated. Even you can see which part of the code is AI generated. You can see these are the some AI generated completions we have used. So you can see. Now, who should use this tool? This tool should be used by small consulting firm, engineering manager, and medium-sized companies who are scaling their QA expert team with AI tools. Because with growing concerns around AI generated code and upcoming contractual limitations of AI generated code, I personally think this is a powerful tool for anyone working with AI assisted development. If you want to try it out, check the link in the description to sign up and let me know in the comments. Do you trust AI generated code in production or not? Thank you.